What up, family? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Dale.
And I'm Jess.
And before we get into much today, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when we drop good eats like these. Welcome back. It's such a treat. Great play, fam. Come on, let's eat. Check out the description bar down below to get you 10% off your code. Just use the coupon code CODES. Well, babe, can you let them know what we have on our wonderful menu today?
Chipotle. That's it. That's all. We got a burrito bowl, and we have converted some of our burrito bowl into tacos.
Nice little
Tik Tok hack.
We're gonna give y'all a bite. First bite, baby.
How y'all doing? What y'all eating on? Let us know down below. As always, we start like Marvin.
The crunch on those tacos.
Got bite low. Kept my mouth open.
But that's also why they don't leave them just out sitting up top to help maintain it.
You know, y'all might not want to see tacos 2 days in a row.
But we had craving tacos. Y'all know around here we eat what we feel.
Or what we got.
I mean, like what we have craving for. Not on some cocky rude, I'm gonna eat what I want to eat, but like what my taste buds give me, I'm going for it.
You don't even know.
Because
Got
when you
done
eat,
the cook.
Because when you eat what your taste buds are craving, you get satisfied with your meal instead of just full. I think that's how a lot of people get bloated and stuff too, because they think that they're not full and they'll overeat unintentionally. I'm guilty of that. I've done that sometimes.
That corn is so sweet.
You say that every time.
But it's only my 7th time getting it.
Well, you know,
I don't
video.
know how. I don't know how I didn't know they had corn pico.
Oh,
This is my 2nd time getting the corn.
that's why I said, oh, okay.
I don't remember that.
Because you usually don't go in.
No.
You went in Moes more than you go on Chipotle. But comparatively, we've eaten, like together, Chipotle more than we've eaten Moes.
That? I don't think we can call it it. We just started in Chipotle. Like this year. A lot. Like we're heavy. How we got people that work at Moes and Chipotle.
Because while they're somewhat competitors, they're still in the same lane, so your skills transfer a little bit easier. That's like going from a branch of military to another branch of military. You know the procedures, you know the protocol. I mean, you got to brush up on some stuff here and there, but for the most part,
It's the same.
Like portion size.
Chipotle easier though.
I feel.
They ain't got all those wrong duds
Yeah.
and all that.
Just
They got
straightforward.
prettier. Simple menu. We hope y'all doing good.
And TikTok should not have my leash that hat because
TikTok came too.
I told Taco Bell bye-bye.
So we get a burrito bowl. And we add 4. Well, how many come with? 3? 3 or 4?
3.
You get the shells on the side for free. Some of these we bought though. Cause we got, oh no, we got 3 bowls. It was 3 for Sam. With extra.
It ain't gonna hard. Cause I feel like it's a little more convenient because
when if I don't eat out my tacos, y'all look how much bowl I got left. Oh, y'all can't even see. It's only one little corner missing, and I got 2 tacos out of that already.
And I made 4 still have a little over half my bowl.
I'm probably eat all this a couple more times.
Oh.
One for sure. I can't do it all in one sitting. I ain't got the blessed belly like you.
FD guard to the rescue.
I feel like we talked about this on a video before. Like about size, just because you're a certain size. Because it's definitely people I know that's smaller than me. They can eat more than me.
Because a lot of people don't think that food is also about determination too. Because it's like anything else, you can psych yourself out when you eat.
Which is why I do not do the challenges and stuff. Because I already be knowing beforehand, I can't do this. I can't do this. I cannot.
But the fun part is just seeing how far you make it. You don't have to keep going and push yourself to go into pain or discomfort. The fun part is just seeing how far you'll make it.
Well, the fun part is I already be knowing sometimes I'm gonna go make it just a little inch. So guess what? I ain't gonna even try.
You think the little inch that could made the trip all the way the first time they tried? They had to work up to it.
You know what it is.
Proper performance.
Sometimes I'm just not gonna finish. I'm just not.
But proper performance, proper practice prevents poor performance.
What that mean in English?
You know what proper planning prevents piss poor performance means? I don't even know why you play that.
Stuff you can do.
That's just like me. Like reading dictionaries, thesaurus, books.
But I'm not gonna hype myself up to eat nothing spicy or eat 500 chicken nuggets. That's the part I'm talking about as far as psyching myself out.
You might not have made it to 100 like some people did. But you did you a clean 20 easy quick though. Then you made up to how many?
When?
The chicken nugget challenge.
And then, I don't know. I can't even remember. But then, we did freaking fish stick challenge. I said, oh, yes, I can do this. Fish stick, I love fish stick. Easy.
We fried into it. Crunchy.
Ate damn. What I ate back? 13, 14 fish sticks, if that.
That would tear that mouth up.
Yeah, we ate too fast. Yeah, we heard it. If it would have been a fish stick mukbang, I might could have ate 20. See?
We shouldn't have tried to put them in the air fryer. Ooh, worry about, that's been, man, trying to get them how it's gonna taste good. We should have been putting them in the oven. Just trying to get in that crunch like we on the video. Hush. Y'all heard that? Hush.
Some things tore our mouth up. They was so crunchy. That was good though. It's good, and I'm getting full.
Oh.
Oh, I know you gonna say oh. So I know we already talked about this before, but people are really going haywire about this school thing. Aiden and Andrew were supposed to start school, but we're doing home because kids. Now maybe this was high school. Maybe high school could go back to school because they got enough sense to see, or at least see
what's going on in the world to understand.
Okay, we gotta stay separate.
The necessity of masks as well.
But kids, they like, oh no.
I'm gone. I'm away from home. I'm with my friend. We finna turn up at the daycare. What we finna do on the park?
We finna swap peanut butter jelly sandwiches.
What your mama gave you?
And all of that.
Because kids are friendly.
So I think little kids just should not be going back.
Because this really probably ain't gonna subside until 2021.
If we all had been on one accord when they first put us on lockdown and we would have stayed in, we probably could have even had the fall. But baby, y'all weren't playing. And still ain't playing. These people are like, you cannot tell what to do.
Right.
Period, sir.
I was like, when we were watching Real Girl Food World this morning, it really did make me think about the fact we pay so much for homes and people are running from there like, I've been in the house too long.
You bought it. This is your home. You live here. They like, bump that. I
gotta go to the beach. I gotta.
Okay. Baby. Shoot. See, even done what he trying to tell y'all.
Because I mean, of course, everyone will get tired of, the same corners at some point, but be safe and realistic in what you do. Instead of just straight like. Prime example. If you know someone has tested positive for COVID, cut it out. If you know someone has tested positive, then make sure they're out of their contagious phase. Keep yourself separate for a good month on the safe side. Because it might hurt to not see them physically, but it's real. And it really is staggering how many people believe that it's fake.
That's what I was gonna say too. I ain't never seen such woke people. I think everything is a conspiracy theory. Ma'am, sir, do you feel that tickle in your throat? This is for real.
I've been out here in these streets the whole time and I ain't got it yet. That's not how that works.
That's what I was gonna say also. Maybe because it's just like the flu has been around for basically so long. So since it's something new, it ain't made up stuff. Generate germs, get together and make other germs all the time.
Stuff goes dormant and re-shows back up in civilization hundreds of years later, thousands of years later sometimes. Everything that's here now.
This ain't the first time, the first or the last time something gonna happen though. But and the camera says gonna die.
And I was here for it, which fam. I told you I was gonna eat these. I'm gonna eat these tacos.
Mm-hmm. Well, before it cut off, we gonna tell y'all we love y'all. Shout out to all y'all. Thank y'all for watching and joining us. We can't get ready. We love y'all.
We gotta buy some more batteries, cause
that was crazy. Y'all we changed the battery like 3 times.
I'm gonna swap the
2 notches.
I'm gonna swap the charger.
Or the outlet. You sweating? What's spicy?
Oh, you know Tabasco make me sweat.
You sweat.
But it's only on one side though.
Is it?
Yeah, cause it's coming from my hair.
And probably that dang on, like, yes, that's definitely your hair sweat. Oh, y'all, I'm exhausted.
Thank you so very much.
Who, me? Wipe your sweat? You're welcome.
That was quite civil of you.
I mean, I ain't doing nothing else. You my boo and everything. I guess I can wipe your sweat. What you saying, Dun? I can tell he was agreeing or getting smart. Look how he looking at me. He's sleepy.
Yes,
when your kids
like
start looking at you like, oh my God, mommy, you're so beautiful. I wish I could show him. He look like this.
In my phone, in the room.
My phone right here. He was gonna leave me. Oh man. Look at it. That's a long down camera.
Mm-hmm. I told them they won't get no taco out of me.
You know, and now we really finna have to go because he done. Did you really just cut it back on? You know, see how long?
The disrespectful camera did not let us finish. Yes, we weren't done talking to y'all. But since I had to turn it back on, battery gonna die in a minute. But let's see if I can eat another taco for y'all.
Last taco. Nope, look. Down still looking like.
The crunch on these is so satisfying.
I think I can show y'all this bowl.
That's what I was showing them, saying
ooh,
after 6